Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to the final sort of issue of building the Back to the Future DeLorean. This is issue 130. In this issue, we are doing dangerous radioactive stuff. We are fitting the plutonium rods to the plutonium case that we just finished building. So yeah, that's going to be fun. We've got to make up some little canisters, put some stickers on some rods, and then just fit the rods into the case. Nice and easy stuff. We also get an alarm clock. Stuck to the dashboard, was it? Or did he just put it on? I don't remember. Again, I think he just puts it on the dashboard at some point in the trilogy. Yeah, just on the dashboard there. But yeah, there we go. So that's the final part of the build. Looking at Robert Zemeckis. Yeah, there we go. What does it say? What he did next? Oh, what he did. Oh, right. Okay. After Back to the Future, he went on to do some other things. Cool. The directorial stuff. And then we're going to look at the time circuits. I'm pretty sure we already have, but we're doing that again. Now, next time, this part work continues with the 1955 time circuit. It's not the 1955 time circuit, is it? This is the 1855, I think. This is the bit that goes onto the hood, onto the bonnet, back in the cowboy days, I think. I could easily be wrong, but I think that's what that is. I think that's what we're starting to build. But before then, we're going to finish this bit. And finish this bit as we do. As I said, we've got the alarm clock, which, yeah, is not that great, actually. It's all right. But, yeah, it's got some detail on the back there and, you know, winding keys and stuff. So that will sit in the car or on the dash, all that sort of thing. We've got our tubes and pipes. So these basically just fit inside all of these container holes. This goes on the top. It should go on the top. That's the bottom. That is the top. So that does actually key in place. It's got only one way round that it will go. Goes a bit like that. So there we have one tube completed. And into said tube goes the rod. But before we put the rod in, we've got to put a little sticker on it. Got here just that little sticker like that, which goes around the top bit like that. There we go. That goes around there, and that goes in there. Got little holes that guide it in place in both the top and the bottom. And it'll go all the way through if you're not careful, so don't push it all the way through. Probably put that in there first. But then it can't go all the way through because it'll only stick out the bottom, won't it? So that is what we have now. So I shall make up all of these, get them all the right way round. I had it the right way. No, I didn't. That way round. Keys in place so the holes line up on the same side. That one there, not together. Don't seem to fit together greatly, unless I'm doing it wrong. I might be doing it wrong. Try that again. Have to be the way up that I had it first. And it goes together like that. Yeah, no, that first one seemed to fit together tighter. Yeah, that's not overly great. Let me just double check to make sure I'm not being an idiot more than normal. No, it just says pop it on. and then wrap that around. And right, I shall get all of these assembled and placed in the pot in the box, and we'll see how it looks. Yep, there we go. That's that all done. Just the last one to pop in place. I have glued the lids on. Some of them were fitting much better than others, and some of them weren't fitting very well at all. But I'm happy to glue them in place because, you know, it's all good. The rods will still come out if I want them to. But that is that done. Plutonium case completed and even closes. So that is that, and that is pretty much the end of the full build. That actually makes that easier. It sort of springs it open a little bit rather than having to force it open now. So there we have plutonium case and alarm clock completed. There are a couple of spare stickers if you do mess up, as I did with one of them. But other than that, we're all good to go. So that is that. That is the end of the standard build. So join me next time for the upgrades to the other films. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.